Hello everyone, welcome to the Tech Guy Hub, and today I'll be talking about how to remove watermark from a PDF. So whether it's a stamp, watermark, anything. So if you want to remove a watermark from a PDF, then you're at the right place, and this video is for you. So this is a PDF I have in here. As you can see, there are watermarks in here. Tech Guy Hub, that's the watermarks. The watermarks all over. So in here, open your browser, and head over to this website. So go to this website. Okay? Visit this website and select the PDF tools. So PDF tools. So when you tap on it or when you click on it, there will be a drop down menu. So a drop down menu, look for PDF watermark remover. So tap on this. Yeah, and scroll down. So when you scroll down, this is the section where you'll be uploading the PDF file. So tap on the select files, or you can just do a drag and drop and select the watermarked PDF. So this is the watermarked PDF. So wait patiently as it is uploading. Yeah, so after the upload is done successfully, you can upload multiple files. So whether you want to, remove a single file, multiple files, it depends. So if you want to upload multiple files, then you tap on the add files and you keep on adding the files. So after you're done with that, you just tap on the remove watermark or click on the remove watermark. Yeah, and again, be patient. So wait patiently as the watermark is being removed. So now the watermark has been removed successfully. So now let's download it. Tap on the download and that's it. The file has been downloaded. So now let's open the file and let's see if the watermark is still there. So the watermark has been removed. Okay, so if you find this video useful and helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, and also give this video some thumbs up. Okay, so see you in next video.